I am pleased to have you return to my Coin Lady channel. What Trump plans to do with cryptocurrency is making the rounds in the news. These trading platforms, the monitoring websites that display just US tokens, have recently introduced a new crypto category. These are the best cryptos produced in the US. It seems like something is in the oven. So, without further ado, sit back and relax. I think we're about to receive an hour-long answer from Trump about crypto taxation, and which assets will be taxable and which will not. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin, which is trading at $104,199 and has lost 2.35% of its value in the last day. Ethereum reaching a value of $3,296. At $3.12, it is down 3.99%, but there has been a small recovery on the hourly charts, so it is still holding on to the third slot, which it lost 6%. With a total of 3,00595,000 coins in circulation, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies is aiming to return to $3.6 trillion. Price resilience will be at its best once we receive this XR component. Is about to make a parabolic move. Reports indicate that the price of EXO piece has recently begun to rise again, surpassing the $3.25 mark. As you can see, the prices are holding their gains, and could initiate another surge once they surpass 318. The 100 simple moving average is around $320, and the current price of XRP is $3.18, which is a crucial amount. On the hourly chart, a rising channel is taking shape with $3.06 as support. If the pair maintains a price above $3, you may consider it a new uptrend. Now, are we about to witness a breakout in XRP? We are hoping that it remains above $3 and then sees a rise up to approximately $3.36, give or take. The current price is $3.13. Is it picking up steam? In my opinion, the Trump pump will arrive at the month's end or early February, as I mentioned before. In my opinion, that is the time when blockchain technology will reappear, and Bitcoin will finally gain traction. Alternatively, he may have mentioned that a bull flag was developing on the XRP chart. Warning signs. If you're bullish, a bull flag would be ideal. Thus is also keeping an eye out for a possible breakthrough. The fact that XRP has maintained a price above the $3 area is encouraging, and I think this is a good idea. It was brief, but we did get a wick down to approximately $2.88. A wick, that was. There was no flame. Wrapping up. There wasn't even a candle. All it was a tiny, meaningless delve deep wink wick. Approximately 288 degrees, give or take, is where the wick is visible, and from here we can begin to climb again. On XRP, today is the one day you can sit tight. The 4-hour, 1 day, and 1 month time frames all show that we are bullish. Is the breakout imminent? We may anticipate that the rest of the market will follow Bitcoin's lead if it begins to really explode. You can see that up right here for max data. Every time this figure goes negative, typically around -0.2 or lower, as it does here, it indicates that the price is going up. We are in the process of. We're nearly at the first point, In order to see XRP rise, let's keep an eye on the order books that are visible. I know it sounds far-fetched, but that's not the case, considering that we were dealing with order books that had to be broken for previous move-ups, which ranged from 11 to 19 million XRP. This is a very little amount, around 3.5 million XRP. We know how fast this can go through this order book, especially when XRP starts to move and people start eating into it. So we're currently sitting at about 5 million XRP to get back into that 3,030 cent range, and about 10 million XRP to get into 340. This is important, listen up. Keep an eye on the order books that are lying about. Binance is bringing this over. Next, all the main monitoring websites have released this new crypto category. Wow, this is significant. In my opinion, this points to a factor that will influence the overall Trump crypto, no tax situation. What is perusing? And by this we mean the most prominent US-issued currencies. Predictably, XRP is at the top, followed by Solana, Cardano, Link, AVAX, Stellar, Sway, HBAR, Litecoin, Uniswap, the Trump coin, and Molina's coins. Gala, Tezos Airport, Optimism Stacks, Injective Theater Movement, Aptos Ando, and Algorand Filecoin. If these assets are to be exempt from capital gains taxes, then a metric ton of money is going to pour into them, and I couldn't be happier about that. Because whatever the new set of rules ends up being, we might see whether these assets are subject to a 1-year holding requirement, or whether you can cash them out at any time. The passage of time will reveal whether or not you are subject to capital gain tax. If that's the case, then our holders are going to pour a lot of money into these assets. The price rises as capital pours in. Yeah, it's that easy. Solana, Cardano, XRP, Gala, Avalanche, Chainlink, and Solana are just a few of the cryptocurrencies that I have been fortunate enough to acquire. Many of these were mine. Something about this makes me feel happy. Your time spent viewing my video is greatly appreciated. Support my channel with a like and a subscription. Goodbye for now.